Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your project. Enable the Drive API and create OAuth 2. 0 credentials, then download credentials. JSON. Next, install the official client library so Python can talk to Google. Once done, write a short auth flow using Google Auth OAuth flow to open a browser and obtain tokens. Make sure to store token. JSON securely. It preserves refresh tokens so you avoid repeated consent. This gets you to an authorized session, ready to call Drive endpoints. Now you authenticate and create the service object. You load credentials, JSON and check for token. JSON, if missing, run the installed app flow to obtain tokens. Once you have creds, refresh them when expired so calls remain valid. Then call build drive v3 credentials equals creds to create the Drive service. After that, test connectivity by calling files. List, page size equals 10, fields equals files ID. Name, to verify you can read file metadata. This confirms your client is ready. Finish by implementing file operations. Upload with media file, upload and files. Create and download with files. Get media combined with media EO-base download to stream to disk. Make sure your request includes proper MIME type and parents when creating files. Once implemented, add proper error handling for HTTP error and rate limits. Include exponential backoff. If anything breaks, check that the Drive API is enabled and the OAuth scopes match. Deleting token. JSON forces a clean reauthorization, which often fixes permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.